Good morning everyone, this is Raswin, the Asian Mechanic Guy. Today we will be going to change the front brake pad for this 2003 Pontiac Sunfire. So without further ado, let's get started. So that's the lift point or jack point for this car. So this is 19 millimeters up. So we are using 3/8 Allen socket. It's loose. So we are using my power tools. Whoops, other way. All right, nice. So now let's remove the caliper. Wow, this is easy. Not bad. Oh yeah, check this out. One sec. Check this out, guys. Look at the pad. It's already worn. Yeah, it really needs a replacement. So by the way, I bring in the car because outside it's raining. So I was planning to do it there a while ago, but then it started to rain. So let's remove the pad. So this is the one on the from the top. Okay, see this? It's worn. So let's basically, okay, like that. So let's go doing there. So from there, and then this one we need a screwdriver. That screwdriver and push. That's okay. Okay. So let me check double check the position. So like that. So that one's from the bottom. Okay. Okay. Wow. Need to clean this one. Let's check this rubber. I don't know why it's, oh, okay. It's not that bad actually. Let's just pull it up. Let's check if there's a tear. I don't think there is. Or what? Just remove it. I think this is just a rubber boot. Let's check. No tear. Yeah, it's no tear. Right, now it's clean. Let's put it back. Nice. Right. Let's put it here for the meantime. There we go. Now we will be removing the, oh, that's easy. Really. That's the new rotor. Let's compare it. Right. Now the new brake pad. Okay. The brake pad. Let's put some grease on. There we go. There. Then this should be. Check. Okay. So this should be at the bottom. Okay. Some grease Goes in here. Okay, things in. It's in. Okay, and then let's put it on. Okay, it's like, alright, nice. Then this one, let's put some grease on. And the other one, put just a little thread lock in here. Okay. Okay. All right. That's it. Then oh, nice. Okay, good. All right. It's done. So that's how you change the front brake pad for a 2003 Pontiac Sunfire. So if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment below, and please like and subscribe my channel too. That's all today, and see you next time.